Hello everyone. Вкусняшки. Меряем мою модельную талию. Первое. First хлебцы. Like a хлеб, bread, but it's not a bread. Rice cake. Okay. С клюквой. Хлебцы. Хлебцы, Даша. The best. 10 and 10. Обожаю. Хлебцы со льном. Ня. Охуенно. The best. Лен. That's like very healthy. That's why all Slovak women stay so skinny. Because of хлебцы со льном. Okay, my sister went to vacation. She go to Dubai often. And she sent me like real Dubai chocolate. And it's get expired like by 1 month. So let's see what it is. Like it's real Dubai chocolate from Dubai. Dubaisk. Your last name, Polina Dubaiskaya. Yes. Why not Labuba? Because I love Labuba and Dubai chocolate. You know, guys, I couldn't tell because it's like Dubai. Dubai have a word like my chocolate. Давайте. I mean, I can't tell anything, guys, because it just crushed in my hand. Блять. My God. Okay, let's try a little bit. Well, must. Let's do this chocolate. That's my favorite chocolate. It's like white chocolate. White chocolate like me. And it's only in my country they have a chocolate with, look. You see that? Chocolate with oh my God, I love it. Yeah. Okay. Now we try my favorite cookie. It's a юбилейное печенье. Я обожаю юбилейное. I love юбилейное печенье with I just like юбилейное печенье. Doesn't matter what. Voila. Это давай. You see that? Юбилей. I feel like a юбилейное. Okay. What we're gonna try next? Tell me what you wanna see. I will give it to you tonight. Okay. Next we try конфетка. It's like very famous. It's like a square. It's like a okay. No, конфетка. Oh, конфетка. That's like my favorite one. It's like a citrus. So it's like a lemon конфетка. Oh shit, that's good. That was so fucking good. Короче, in my country we have a конфетка with waffle, and this is like a pineapple one. That's very famous one. It's like a round front. It's like very old candy. I think this like from grandmother. Like it's like so fucking old. I love them. Еще my sister find two color. She know like that. It's like французский зефир, French. Look, it's like marshmallow, like a covered chocolate, marshmallow. Mmm. Mmm. That's like a woman, it's her name's it's Alenka. She like face of own fuck of word. Like it's like him. So him and she, they're like all famous, like, and they keep stay there, like they keep like for years. I mean, I wish I can be face of one time in chocolate and just cover my face forever. So let's try these things. That's it's called ascorbinka. Ascorbinka. It's like a Russian vitamin. That's what we need. And it's sweet. I mean,